Bronco Raptors, Ranger Raptors, this video is for you.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to give the Ranger Raptor some love, although this does apply to the Bronco Raptor. A lot of this stuff crosses over. So no matter which vehicle you have, I think you're going to find this video really informative. All of the products in this video are available from my website at buckleupoffroad.com. Now today we were performing some maintenance on the Ranger Raptor. We did perform its first oil change and we changed the drain plug to one of these UPR drain plugs. So in this video, we're going to go over some of the UPR products that are available for the Ranger Raptor and the Bronco Raptor, including drain plugs and catch cans. If you are a regular Bronco owner, don't worry, UPR makes a ton of stuff for the Bronco, but a lot more selection and additional accessories. So I decided to make a separate video for that, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But enough of me blabbering, let's get started and talk about the 3 drain plug options from UPR. There are 3 options available from UPR, all of which upgrade from the stupid plastic design to a more robust, durable aluminum. All 3 also have a powerful magnet attached to the end, keeping unwanted debris locked to the bottom of the plug instead of tumbling around in your engine. Standard, quick release, and speed options are available, whether you're looking for a quick painless drain or to contain the mess made by performing your own oil changes. All right, now you know more about the 3 different types of oil drain plugs that are available. Let's talk about catch cans. Today, I'm going to be installing the single valve catch can on the Ranger Raptor. But first, let's figure out what is a catch can, what does it do, and what are the 2 different types that UPR carries. All modern vehicles are equipped with a positive crankcase ventilation system, otherwise known as a PCV system. This system is designed to expel excess pressure created inside of the engine by its rotating parts. Turbo vehicles like our Ranger Raptor increase the PCV workload by adding boost to your vehicle's engine, creating even more turbulence this system has to deal with. The job of the catch can is to give this turbulent and oil-contaminated air a space to separate back into 2 elements, one being a liquid and one being air. The can stores that liquid for draining between services while clean air is introduced back into your engine's intake tract. Both the single and dual valve options work essentially the same way, with the dual valve option offering a secondary vacuum source to the can to promote more suction, plus the addition of UPR's CSS or clean side system, adding this additional filtration device to the opposing side valve cover. I'm going to get started with installing the single valve catch can. Now we're not going to see results today. This is going to be kind of a long-term test. We're going to have to run the vehicle and we have a lot of mods. So I'm interested to see if we should upgrade to the dual valve. But like I said, time will tell. So I wanted to start with the single and move to the dual if needed. Installation of the single valve catch can is extremely easy. You basically unclip a hose and then clip in 2 hoses. The only thing to keep in mind is the check valve. Make sure it's pointed in the correct direction. Another thing to remember is this is now a serviceable item. So every time you change your oil, I do recommend you check your oil catch can. I feel like that is one of the easiest installations I've ever had to do on a vehicle. Now the dual valve catch can is a little bit more in depth of an install. It is not difficult, it's just going to take a little bit longer. Now I have the new drain plugs, so changing the oil is going to be easier, upgraded from that stupid OEM plastic one, which I still can't believe that's like factory. But anyway, I feel like we had a great successful maintenance video. You guys can get all of these products on our website at buckleupoffroad.com. Be sure to like and subscribe for all the best content around for Ranger Raptor, Bronco, you know, off-roading, all that fun stuff. Until next time, guys, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, Buttercup!